Action.
What's up, guys? Check out this Teak shower footstool. Perfect for if you want to be shaving in the shower or whatever you want to do in the shower with a stool. I like how it comes. Okay, you could see that it comes with all these numbers stickered to them, which makes it really easy for assembly. So the corresponding leg of the stool goes with the corresponding number, and you just put them together like this, and then you just screw them in. Makes it really easy for assembly. Really simple stuff. So you just put the numbers where they belong: 3 with 3, 4 with 4, 2 with 2, 1 with 1. And then it also comes with the screws themselves. So it should make it really easy for assembly. So we're gonna go ahead and assemble it, and then you guys can see what it looks like. Alright guys, we put the little stool together. Pretty easy assembly, wasn't very hard, and it's perfect for shaving. As you can see, just put your leg on there, makes it nice and easy to shave your legs. Sits pretty nicely in this corner of a shower. Very easy to use, very easy to put together. Check it out.